In the busyness of modern life, finding moments of peace can be a challenge. Today, we're going to explore the art of meditation, a simple yet profound practice that can help us find calm in all the chaos. Hello and welcome. I'm glad you've joined me here. If you've been curious about meditation but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the basics, helping you take the first step into a world of inner peace. Meditation is a practice where we use techniques such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Before diving into the actual practice, it's important to create a conducive environment. Find a quiet and peaceful space where you won't be disturbed for the duration of your meditation. Finding the right posture is also key to a comfortable meditation session. Choose a chair or a cushion on the floor and sit with your back straight but not rigid. If you're sitting on the floor, you might find it comfortable to sit with your legs crossed. Try not to lie down, as the goal isn't to fall asleep. You can keep your eyes closed or softly lower your gaze at a fixed spot in front of you. Now we'll move on to your breathing. You'll want to breathe naturally through your nose, focusing your attention on your breath. Feel the air moving in and out of your body and the sensations it brings. You might find it helpful to count your breaths, counting 1 on the inhale and 2 on the exhale. As you continue to focus on your breathing, thoughts will inevitably arise. This is completely normal and expected. Instead of getting caught up in them, simply acknowledge their presence and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Don't try to force yourself into a state of complete stillness or silence. The mind will naturally wander, and the key is to gently guide it back to your breath. I'd like you to join me now for a short guided meditation. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a position that feels natural and relaxed, whether it's on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or on a cushion or a mat in a cross-legged position. Gently close your eyes, or if you prefer, lower your gaze to a non-distracting spot on the floor. Take a moment to notice the environment around you, the sounds, the temperature, the air. Acknowledge them and then bring your focus inward. Start by taking 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, allowing your chest and belly to rise as you fill your lungs with air. Hold it for just 1 moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your body naturally relax with each breath out. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension you're holding. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm without trying to control or alter it. Simply observe the breath as it enters and exits your body. Notice the sensation of the air as it moves through your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen, the feeling of fullness and release. As you focus on your breathing, thoughts will begin to creep into your mind. Acknowledge these thoughts and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. It's not about stopping all thoughts or emptying your mind. It's about observing without attachment, returning to the breath each time your mind wanders. To help maintain your focus, you can use a simple mantra or phrase with each breath. On the inhale, think, I am. And on the exhale, at peace. Repeat this silently to yourself, synchronizing the words with your natural breathing rhythm. I am, inhale. At peace, exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, begin to visualize a wave of relaxation gently sweeping over your body, starting from the top of your head. Feel this wave of calm slowly moving downward, relaxing each part of your body in turn. First, focus on the top of your head. Sense any tension releasing as this wave slowly descends. Let it soothe your forehead, your eyebrows, and your eyelids. Feel the muscles around your eyes soften. Allow this relaxing wave to unclench any tightness in your jaw, letting it fall slightly open, relaxing your cheeks and lips. This wave of peace continues to travel down, reaching your neck. Feel it loosening any tightness in the muscles of your neck and throat. Allow the relaxation to flow over your shoulders, a common area where we hold stress. Imagine any tension melting away, dissolving into a state of comfort and ease. And as this wave moves down further, direct your attention to your arms. Feel the relaxation roll down from your shoulders through your upper arms, loosening the muscles in your elbows, forearms, wrists, and finally coming to rest in your hands. Feel each finger relax, releasing all the small tensions they hold. This relaxation wave now reaches your chest and upper back. As you breathe in and out, feel your chest rise and fall smoothly, your back muscles softening and relaxing against your chair or cushion. This comforting wave travels down to your abdomen, easing all the muscles. Feel your stomach gently rise and fall with each breath, completely relaxed. Continue to guide this wave down your lower back. Allow it to ease any stiffness or discomfort in the area, promoting a deep sense of relaxing throughout your entire back. As the wave progresses, it reaches your hips and pelvis. Feel those areas sink deeper, releasing any held tension that can accumulate from sitting or standing for long periods. Let the wave of relaxation flow down each leg, starting from your thighs. Feel the muscles in your thighs, your knees, your calves, all relaxing. Allow it to continue down to your ankles, washing over your feet, and finally to the tips of your toes. Feel each part of your legs and feet fully relaxed, completely at ease. With each breath, this wave of relaxation deepens. You are enveloped in peace from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Your entire body is relaxed, calm, and at ease. Feel the profound stillness that envelops you as every part of you is touched by relaxation. As this meditation session comes to an end, slowly begin to widen your awareness beyond your breath. Notice the room around you, the sounds in the environment, and feel your body in your seat. Take one more deep breath, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel after this meditation. Don't rush off to your next activity just yet. Sit for a moment, appreciate the calmness and relaxation you've cultivated. Congratulations, you've completed your first meditation session. Remember, like any new skill, meditation takes practice and consistency. If you enjoyed this introduction and wish to explore more guided meditation sessions, please subscribe to our channel. Namaste.